Hey everybody, it's Shanae, and in this video I'll be showing you how I installed this highlighted headband wig from 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you are subscribed, like this video, and comment down below how you feel about these highlights.
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Jumping right into this video, I'm just going to do a little unboxing to show you guys exactly what I received in this package. So as I said before, this wig is from 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐿𝐼 Hair Company. I received a wig cap, this bedazzled headband, and I also received like 4 other headbands, as you can see. I also did get one with the wig, and I got an extra wig cap. So I am now unpackaging the hair. This was a highlighted headband wig. So it was 24 inches long and it did come body wave. The texture felt really good. So I'm just going to show you guys the inside real quick. So this is the headband. There was 3 clips at the front and there was 1 clip at the back. And I'm just going to show you guys how you have adjustable bands. That way you can tighten the wig, which is great. And then this is just how the inside looks. Do you guys see how nice and full this hair is? So I'm gonna start by making sure my hair is knot free, it flows, and then I'm going to brush out what I'm going to be using for my baby hairs. So once I've taken out the hair I'm going to be using for my baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my hair back into a low ponytail. So like always, I'm going in with my Ebb and Edge control. And I'm just going to be using this hair that I took out as my baby hair because I don't have any. So I'm just going to make about 2 swoops on each side. And I feel like this just makes it look more natural. So you can get creative, style it how you want. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Now that my hair is all combed back, I have my baby hairs laying. I am going to use the wig cap that was provided in the box for me. I'm just going to put it over my hair, as you can see, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply this headband wig. So I'm using the clip at the back, well, the comb, and I'm going to stick it in the middle of the back of my head. That way I know it's positioned correctly. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the 3 combs that are at the front of the wig and just place them underneath the cap. Once that is done, I am going to use this band and connect them together at the back. It has like a Velcro lining, so all you do is just put it together. It's easy as a 1, 2, 3, guys. This is the easiest wig you'll ever find in life. how the body wave looks in its natural state, but I am going to go ahead and flat iron it. So I'm going in with my Dax, and I'm going in with a light oil, and I'm just rubbing it all over the hair just to prep it to flat iron, and that's what you guys will see me doing now. You can tell by my facial expression, I was so impressed on how this hair flat ironed, went through the iron, how it took the heat. I'm telling you, this hair was so bomb. So guys, this is how the hair looked after being flat ironed. It was super cute. I loved it. I loved the highlights. I loved everything about this wig. It was super easy to put on. I decided to add this bedazzled headband that they provided. You could have worn it with the black band, but you know, I was just being extra. So guys, if you are not already following me, make sure you follow me on Instagram at nae.simone. You can also follow my hair page at Pariis Hair, and that's Pariis with 2 I's. Don't forget to check out Julia Hair Company. Shout out to them for this wig because it is doing things to me. So guys, you can also check my description box if you are interested. All the details on this wig will be down there. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.